Welcome back. Let's talk about Brookfield now and their India performance. They see their India business as the top market globally, and they're keen on building further real estate infrastructure in India. In an exclusive chat on our leadership series, Transforming India, Nisha Poddar caught up with Ankur Gupta of the company.
India has truly come of age. 2 decades ago when I started my career, India was supposed to be the big thing. It was all about the future that India has, but not the present. The potential was always recognized by the world, but how to make that potential into reality is the world that we are living in India right now. India truly has taken the leadership role as a leader of the global south, as they call it. I think the next 2 decades will see India bridge that gap between global north and global south and really emerge as the leader in the world. I always like to say that from my experience, you draw parallels between various economies and at various points in time. If we think that the US is the largest economy in the world, resting primarily on a growth of or development and maturity of the services sector, India is well and truly on its way with manufacturing or the recent boom that manufacturing is supposed to have in the country. I think a combination of services and manufacturing will really propel India to a leadership position in the world. And whether it's number 2 or number 3 doesn't matter. In our mind, it is a top market in the world to invest in right now.
Ankur, you've been looking at the real estate space. Your firm has capitalized on the commercial real estate space, which is backed by also a lot of global corporates coming and setting shop over here in India. How do you view this particular space? And given your larger view on Asia Pacific, the whole business that you lead, how does India stand out in that?
So I'll just build on to what Keki said. Real estate houses the economy. So if the economy has to grow at 7, 8, whatever percentage we grow at, these are really large numbers. And from the base that we have, the nominal growth is double digit for India. Now, real estate provides that house, that backbone, both as a direct contribution to GDP, but the most significant part of real economy, real estate and infrastructure, is the productivity gain that a good quality real estate establishment, whether it's a manufacturing hub, logistics infrastructure, offices, good quality homes, and hospitality. So all these provide that base from which several sectors can emerge from. One as direct users, or second as contributors, like steel, cement, paints, or tourism for hotels. So real estate is at the core of this transformation that India is seeing. From my vantage point, we've been investing in India for more than a decade now. I would like to say that we've been treated very, very well in India. Every real asset project is a public-private partnership, either directly or indirectly. So you need to have good quality governance to be able to successfully invest in India or in any economy as a matter of fact. As I said, India is a top market for us globally, and certainly in the context of Asia Pacific. I would like to say 2 things here. To your point about India becoming the home or the office of the global corporation. The trend line today is that more and more local companies are looking for transforming their office space. Indians are aspiring to live in better quality homes, go to better quality hotels, restaurants, and take that vacation that may not have been aspirational for Indians several decades ago. So all of that infrastructure is a play that Brookfield has a lot of interest in. We have been investing in all these sectors. And I would like to believe that the next big motivation for us would be to back the growth of manufacturing ecosystem in the country, the creation of logistics and industrial hubs. So all of this growth is very exciting for us. It will require huge amounts of capital, a partnership approach with the government and with various state bodies, but also for organizations like ours to come together and really make it happen.
That's right. And many takeaways from what you said, Ankur. And 2 important things over here. Of course, capitalization on REITs is one important aspect. Raj made a mention on InvIT. Adding to that REIT, it really, gives us the solution for long-term investment in these capital-intensive sectors. But also GCCs really now are going to another level of decision-making as well, not just as a back office. And that requires a lot more offices and probably giving more, opportunity.
Look, absolutely. We talk about the work from home trends. I would say that there is a huge trend towards work from India across the world.
Okay, and you can watch the full discussion on nation-building propellers during Amrit Kal at 5:30 p.m. today in our leadership series, Transforming India.